Hello! In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install the StarlingRFS shingle on the Eave in the first course. Because the drip edge metal is thick, we start by widening the bottom hem on the shingle. Hook the shingle to the drip edge and bend up and down a few times. Next, we're going to line up this index mark with this edge. Hook the bottom hem of the new shingle to the eave while slightly overlapping the previous shingle. Then slide the new shingle over to align its edge to the index mark. Fine-tune the shingle to make sure the bottom hem is fully seated and the edge is aligned. See, we're aligned. Now we're going to put in 4 nails, one at every other index mark. Since this is a demonstration, we're using screws in this video, but typically you would use 1 1/4 inch galvanized ring shank coil nails. That's the installed shingle. Repeat the same step for the next shingles. Open up the bottom hem, hook the new shingle to the eave while slightly overlapping the previous shingle, and then slide into place. Fine-tune so the shingle is fully seated at the eave and the index mark is aligned with the edge. When nailing the shingle, be sure to keep the nail within the 1-inch nailing strip. You can see this line here is a bend in the metal. We call this triple layer of metal section the hem. Putting a nail in the hem will cause a leak path. If your nail gets too close to the hem, you can check it with a small scrap of metal. You'll be able to feel the metal catch on the nail this way. If it does not catch, you're good to go. If it does catch, you'll need to remove the shingle, seal the hole, and then replace it. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we'll install the last shingle on this course.